How to make Keto Mediterranean Breakfast Bowl. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, also like the video and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. The ingredients: 6-ounce cucumber, half medium red bell pepper, 1 medium fresh tomato, 6-ounce feta cheese, 1/4 cup walnuts, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon fresh oregano, ½ cup black olives. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. On a cutting board, slice the cucumbers and the red bell pepper. Arrange the cucumbers, red bell pepper, and feta cheese. 3. Slice the tomato. Arrange the tomato, olives, and walnuts. Drizzle with olive oil and garnish with oregano. 4. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of Keto Mediterranean Breakfast Bowl. Each serving comes out to be 443 calories, 37.3 grams fat, 11.1 grams net carbs, and 15.8 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below for more recipes.